I wanted to come your way with one quick simple recipe, and that is oven baked chicken. I know some people be like, I can't ever get it right. What am I doing wrong? This is a really quick, easy recipe. You throw in the oven and you're good to go. So I have my seasoning in here, but the white part on here is not flour, that I would say. This is arrowroot powder, and it's going to give my chicken a really crispy or crunch taste. Okay, I have paprika in here, I have cumin, I have oregano, I have powdered onion, powdered ginger, I have bedia or seasoning spice. So what I'm going to do is I have a this is the size of the ziploc that I could find. So I'm going to start with some of the, you can mix everything, you can put everything in here then shake it, but I'm going to put some of the ingredient on the in here. Okay, I want to have like some of, it's like, just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, make those muscles work for you. Okay, now chicken is clean. It's going to go in here. Okay, make sure you have clean hands as well. I have 10 pieces in here, so okay. Now I just go over with the rest of the ingredient. Just spread everything. That's why I feel like it's really good to use like a big bag like this. Gonna just mix it up and then shake it. Shake everything in here. Get your husband to do this if you don't have the muscle. Yeah. Like this. Everything is well cooked. See? I see it. See it on here?
Well coated.
It's well coated. So what I'm doing is, I'm not gonna cook it right away. I'm actually doing this at night, so tomorrow morning I have to make jollof rice for Steve, and so this is why I have these. And so yes, you can marinate this 30 minutes before it goes into the oven, 1 hour, 2 hour. You can do it overnight and then just throw it in the oven. So this is the marinade part that I wanted to bring to you. So tomorrow, if Christ tarry, I'll bring you the rest. So stay tuned, all right? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are still doing awesome, all right? So we are still on our oven baked chicken. So I had the chicken, remember, marinate, and so now it's time for it to go in the oven. Okay, so to do that, I had I lined my baking sheet or tray with parchment paper for easy cleanup. I added a little bit of melted butter on top to give the chicken like such a nice look, you know, succulent look when it's baking. So I'm going to just lay this on the tray one by one. Smells so good. There you go. So I have about 10 pieces of chicken drumstick sticks here, because it's more than one. And when you put them on the sheet, please try to space it out so that the heat is evenly distributed when it's cooking. That way you get a nice and well done chicken. All right, so I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm cooking this at 400 degrees. So you guys will think, oh, it's too high, but I cook it on high. So first of all, it will cook it faster, and it will help retain moisture in my chicken, so that, you know, less time to cook. The chicken will come out nice, juicy, and crispy at the same time. And I'm going to bake this for anywhere about 30 minutes. If I have some big ones in there, so anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes, it should be done. Awesome. See you in the oven. I have another chicken breast going in here. So yes, I'm going to bake that for 30 to 45 minutes, like I said, and it should be nice and ready. If you want, you can flip it halfway through, so when it's 15 minutes, you can turn them over. or if it's like 20 minutes, if you're going for 45 minutes, just turn them over. Okay, see you. Look at that. All right, guys, our chicken is ready. Look at how nice, juicy, tender it looks. Let me just get a fork and show you what I'm talking about. I'm not going to try and eat some right now because I know it's pretty hot. Look, the meat just like comes right off. Comes right off. Ah, look at that. This looks so good. Look at it on both sides. It's really well cooked. And you get a little bit of crispiness on the side. This is where the arrowroot powder comes in, or arrowroot flour comes in. Look at that. This is so nice, easy. So yes, we cooked this for about, I would say we cooked this for 45 minutes total, because I had some bigger ones in there. And afterwards, I was busy, so I just turned off the oven after 45 minutes, left it in there for about 5 minutes more. I was done with what I was doing, and then I just took it out. So this is the finished product. We are going to be, not me, mostly my husband and brother are going to be having this with jollof rice. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give this videos a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell button, which is the notification button. So whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first people to get a notification. And share with your family. If you don't know how to cook, this is where you learn how to cook. So this is it for today. Until I come your way again with another recipe, another awesome recipe. Have a blessed day. Remain in God. Thank you. Subscribe.